All right, folks, give me a one, a yes if you can hear me loud and clear, and if you can see the ContentReel AI dashboard up here. Awesome. Lots of ones and yeses coming in. Brilliant. So, folks, what ContentReel AI essentially is, I'm going to do a quick rundown on this. I'm going to show you how the whole app works, but a quick breakdown of what ContentReel AI is. So, what this app really does, it lets you create tons of short form and even long form videos that you can publish on multiple different social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, in your niche for your business. And you can create a lot of them and publish a lot of them on autopilot again and again. So you dominate the niche. So if you're competing with a business that's posting 2 videos a day, you can now create and publish 10, 15, 20 videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, all at the same time in the same day, and all of them will be unique videos. So you would outmaneuver your existing competition, and that's what ContentReel lets you do. It lets you dominate your market and be a leader in the market, and it's proven. And it's really working. And the videos it creates are not junk videos, not spam videos, but really good quality videos. So what essentially it does, you put in a keyword, you give it some details, it will go to Google, it will research and find out trending topics around that keyword, right? And using those trending topics and AI, it will create a script that also matches with the current trend. So the script has chances of going viral, right? And then it will create a video with your own personalized face, like an animated talking head of your own face added to it, and your own voice cloned. So it sounds like you're creating 20, 30 videos every single day. And then this sort of helps with the personalization of the videos, and people love that. And once that is done, it lets you schedule all of those videos on social media platforms, so you don't have to manually publish them. Now, a little difference between the ContentReel AI and the existing ContentReel. Both are 2 different products, 2 different apps that do 2 different things. So the ContentReel, the original one, the legacy one, from 2022, lets you create hundreds of videos using just a keyword. So it takes a keyword, lets the AI write script around that keyword, and you have those videos ready. What ContentReel AI does, it goes to Google, it finds trending content around your niche and keyword, it creates scripts based on those trending topics in the current market, and it verifies those scripts for our virality algorithm, and then creates those videos and adds your talking head on all the videos. It clones your voice and adds your cloned voice on all those videos, and then it helps you schedule your videos nonstop on all social media platforms. So let's get started. To create your first video set, you want to create a campaign first. So you click on campaign over here, give it a name. Let's say I want to do real estate staging. Now, campaign essentially means your client name or your project name, whatever you want to call it, right? So that's the name of the project. Now, video set essentially means in real estate staging niche. Maybe you want to create Facebook stories. I also want to create some slideshow, some carousel ads. Then I also want to create real estate. So inside a campaign, you can create multiple video formats here, right? Now, we support over 25 video formats, right? So this set, let's say we call it YouTube set, right? Our keyword is real estate staging. I want to create 4 videos for YouTube, right? So let's go and pick YouTube here. Where's YouTube? YouTube Shorts, you display ad, or standard YouTube, as you can see right here. Standard YouTube video 1920, right? Now, call to action essentially is like a watermark, but I usually use it to put my website name or affiliate website name, and I can position it wherever I want. I usually try to put it on the top side, so top left is always good, because on YouTube, you would notice they have cards and annotations on the top right, and the bottom is just covered by the seeker bar. So always this position is really good. Then talking head, this is where you upload a picture of yourself that ContentReel is gonna animate and add head movement, lip sync, so it looks like a natural video, a personalized video. Now, once you've added the image, you can enable or disable head movements. I prefer head movements, so there's a head shaking, so it looks more natural. And then you can choose where you want your head to be. I usually keep it either here or here. Like the square face, you could do rectangle as well if you want. Oh, sorry, circle, not square. And then you can choose how much of the video you want it to cover. So let's keep it 10%, or because if you keep it more than 30-40%, then people just keep looking at that instead of looking at the content, and you want to focus on the content. Right. Next, we want to do voice cloning. You can upload your own voiceover sample, or you can just click over here and start recording a little bit about your voice, how it sounds. And what ContentReel AI is going to do is going to learn, analyze, understand how you sound, where you use pauses, what your voice sounds like, and then you can recover like 10-15 seconds. That's pretty much it, and then it will replicate it. Now, once you're ready, click on submit. And what's going to happen now is ContentReel AI will now start browsing the web, start finding topics, which is super fast, and start generating script. This whole process takes less than a minute, like 30-40 seconds. And as you can see, the scripts are generated. What we're going to do is go here, and you can see there are 4 scripts here. Now, as per AI compliance and regulation, you have to review them and give it a go ahead to convert these into videos. But really, the scripts are perfect. They're short, they're to the point, very cool. You don't really need to edit anything. The script is here. All you need to do is click to convert to videos. And it's going to start creating the slides. And you could do the same with all the videos. It takes about 5 seconds to do this for all the videos. And then what ContentReel is going to do is going to go out there, start finding related media files, videos, images, and start converting all the scripts into videos. Start adding your voiceover, start cloning your voiceover, start creating animations for your head movement, start doing lip sync, all of that stuff. And it's going to do all of that and put it all together for you to preview, render, and start scheduling. As you can see, the slides are being created, and you don't have to wait for all of them to be ready. You can just click on edit as soon as the slides are created. Even one slide is created, you can go in to edit. Now, as you can see, you're on this little timeline. You can preview all of this. And then over here, you got your options to edit the text, the background, the media, the voiceover, talking head. So you can change the scripts. Now the thing is, as you see over here, it says DIY home staging tips, but you see this little text. So this text is what's going to be on the voiceover, and this text is what's going to be on the screen. Now, if you want to change that, you can go here, you can select this, and you can add more for single men. Whatever you want to call it, right? So you can change that, you can customize it, change the font color, add a background if you want to do that. You can resize this to whatever you want. Full customization out there. You can change the background, the font color, you can change it to whatever you like it to be. You can increase the font size. You can go here, you can add a background image or a video. So if you want to do real estate, and you just search for it, you're going to get access to millions of videos from our library. All of them are royalty free, stock free, copyright free, so you can use any of these videos on your files, on your video, on your scripts. Super easy. You can mouse over on all of them, and you can preview these videos. You can click on it to replace the existing video with this one in just one click. And as you can see right over here, you got your talking head added. When you render the video, you will see this talking head animated. Now, you can add more images if you want to do. So if you want to add like another image like real estate, lots of copyright free images, what you could do is just pick any image that you like, and you can add that on the screen. You can resize it, you can move it around as much as you want it to be. You can make it go front and back, whatever you want it. You can select this, you can bring it up a little bit. So, full customization here. You can see a watermark up here as well. again, it changes with the slide. So you customize the whole thing. And then again, you can add a lot of different voiceovers. So this is, as you can see, the text is already here for the slides, and this is what the voiceover is going to say, but it's going to sound in your voice. But if you don't want to use your own, we've got tons and tons of different voiceover accents in different languages that you can pick from and use, right? And if you have sonority, of course, you can connect your own sonority. Or if you want to upload your own voiceover or record your own voiceover, you can do that too. Now, in the talking head section, you can again customize all of it. If you want to disable it, of course, you can disable it, and you can also change the size of it. So I usually like to keep it a little bit big, so I usually go for the large size. So you could do that. You can add a background music if you don't like the one that's already added. There's tons of background music, all copyright free. You can change transitions. You can change animations between the slides. Of course, if you want to play, all of this is already added. You really don't need to do anything. Now, if you don't like the layout of this page, you can change that as well. From different template size that we have different, let me move this at the back a little bit, different template options that we have. So you can change all of that super easy. And if you don't like the template at all in itself, you can change the entire template as well for the whole video. So you could do that, and then in the settings, you can add a logo, you can add a watermark, you can decide how long you want the template to be. You can change the volume controls, how much you want the voiceover to be and how much you want the music to be. You can change where you want the watermark to be, and then in the credit section you can add intro and outro. Once you customize it, if you want to customize, you don't really need to. AI does it all for you anyways. But once you've customized it, what you could do is you can click on render, and the video will start rendering. So what you could do is just like go in, quick, click, render. You have 4 videos ready. Now, once the videos are rendered, which is going to take about a minute or so, you can quickly schedule all of them on social media to be published on YouTube. Now, this whole process would take you about 3 to 4 minutes. So in 3 to 4 minutes, you can create 4 videos for, to be published on YouTube. Right? In another 3 to 4 minutes, you can create for Instagram. Another 3 to 4 minutes, you can create for Facebook. Right? So you got Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube done, TikTok done, right? 15 minutes, 20 minutes a day. That's all you need, and you're dominating the market. And as you can see, once the video is rendered, you can download it, you can edit it, you can publish it directly, you can share it with your client, or you can just click on this schedule button, and then you can schedule it for a specific date and time and submit it to any of the networks that you've connected here in the integrations tab. So you can connect all these networks, and you can schedule your video to be published at a specific date and time. Now again, while one video is rendering, you can quickly go in here, click edit, click render, come back, click edit, click render, click edit, click render, and you have like 4 videos ready. All of that done in 5 seconds. While these are getting rendered, you can create 4 for TikTok, 4 for Instagram, 4 for Facebook, and in 15 minutes you'll have enough content to go for the whole day. And then if you sit on a weekend, you can schedule content you can create and schedule content for the whole week. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to say like, this is a push button system that creates like 365 days of content using AI in a second, because we all know that sort of content is never going to get you visibility, never going to get you virality, never going to get you any likes, comments, share, or any business. But what ContentReel AI does, the kind of content it creates, gets you leads, gets you sales, grows your business, and gets you that money. So that's how ContentReel AI works.